today. Hello friends, I am the little master of this channel, and today I am going to telling about scenery. There is so much scenery over there, and in the height too. There are so many bananas and pomegranates and guavas and strawberries plant. There is so much scenery in the village, and there is no scenery at all in the market. That's why we live in the village. In the market, those are papayas. So then, those are papayas, and those are papayas trees, and there is many papayas, and we eat in the market and take papaya from the market. There is chemical in them. In the village, papayas are fresh, and there is no chemical in the village, and there is one banyan plant over there, and there is a small plant here of papaya, and there is so much scenery over there and there too, and here there's so much scenery, and there is scenery in the heart too. That's why we don't live in the city. We live in the village. Bye friends. We'll meet again in the next video. Like, share, subscribe.